Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Nissan NV, a reliable, powerful, and versatile commercial van that continues to stand strong in the competitive van market. Whether you're a small business owner, contractor, or just someone who needs serious cargo space, the 2025 NV is built to get the job done without compromising comfort or utility. Starting with the design, the 2025 Nissan NV keeps its bold, rugged look, maintaining the boxy yet muscular stance that gives it an edge over many of its competitors. The high roof and standard roof variants offer practical options for different needs. The high roof model is especially popular among those who want to stand upright while working in the cargo area, which is a huge plus for tradespeople or mobile businesses. Under the hood, the 2025 NV offers two powerful engine options. The base model comes with a reliable 4.0-liter V6 engine that produces around 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. It's great for light-duty tasks and daily driving, providing a good balance between power and fuel economy. For those who need more muscle, there's an available 5.6-liter V8 engine that pumps out a solid 375 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. This option is perfect for heavy-duty work, including towing and hauling larger loads. Both engines are paired with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission that ensures seamless gear shifts and responsive driving. When it comes to interior space, the 2025 Nissan NV truly shines. The cargo space is massive, offering over 320 cubic feet of space in the high-roof version. Whether you're loading tools, equipment, or delivery packages, there's room for it all. Nissan has also ensured that the floor is flat and wide, making it easier to slide in cargo or install custom shelving. For those using it as a passenger van, the NV can accommodate up to 12 passengers comfortably in the NV2500 variant, making it a great choice for shuttle services, tour operators, or large families. In terms of comfort and features, the front cabin of the NV feels more like a full-size SUV than a traditional work van. The seats are spacious and supportive, and there's ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passenger. Standard features include air conditioning, power windows, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims add more convenience, such as navigation, upgraded audio systems, and additional USB ports. Safety is another area where the 2025 NV performs well. It includes a suite of standard safety features like rear-view camera, traction control, electronic stability control, and a full set of airbags. For added peace of mind, higher trims come with blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors. While the NV is primarily a work vehicle, Nissan ensures that it doesn't cut corners when it comes to driver and passenger safety. On the road, the 2025 NV handles surprisingly well for its size. The ride quality is smooth, and the suspension does a good job absorbing road imperfections. It feels stable, even when fully loaded, and the steering is responsive enough for navigating through city streets or tight job sites. The turning radius is reasonable, and visibility from the large windshield and side mirrors makes maneuvering easier than you'd expect from such a big vehicle. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the engine choice. The V6 model offers slightly better gas mileage, averaging around 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway. The V8, being more powerful, naturally consumes more fuel, but for those who need that extra capability, it's a worthy trade-off. Customization is a big deal with the NV lineup. Nissan understands that different businesses have different needs, which is why the NV is available with a variety of upfit options. From cargo management systems to roof racks and ladder holders, you can tailor your NV to fit your profession perfectly. There are also optional partitions to separate the cargo area from the cabin, improving both safety and temperature control. Durability is another strong suit for the 2025 NV. Built on a robust, truck-based platform, it's designed to handle tough jobs day in and day out. The materials used throughout the van are durable and resistant to wear and tear. Whether it's being used on construction sites, delivery routes, or as a mobile workstation, the NV holds up well under pressure. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Nissan NV remains competitively priced, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The base model starts around $33,000, while fully loaded high-roof V8 passenger models can go up to $45,000 or more depending on the options. For the level of capability, space, and reliability you get, the NV offers great value for money. To sum it up, the 2025 Nissan NV continues to be a top choice in the full-size van segment. It's tough, spacious, and packed with practical features that make it ideal for both work and personal use. Whether you're hauling gear, transporting passengers, or setting up a mobile office, the NV is ready for the challenge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Cars Land 2025 for more car reviews and updates. I'll see you in the next video.